Hello, welcome to Voces United. I'm James, your English teacher. In this first lesson, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in English, clearly and confidently. Let's go. Hello, my name is James. What is your name? Nice to meet you. I am from the United States. I live in Boston, Massachusetts. Where are you from? I work in a restaurant. Goodbye. Now it's your turn. Say, hi, my name is... Hi, my name is... I'm from... I live in... I work at... Great job. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet. You're just getting started. So your challenge for today is to go ask a friend or a coworker the following questions. What is your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you do for work? And a bonus question, what languages do you speak? Remember to answer them all in English, even if it's just one sentence. Anyway, that's it for lesson 1. If you want more lessons like this, please join our class. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.